How to log in to your Namecheap account. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new guide video of TechTube. Whether you're trying to get a new domain or host your website or any other services, you need to firstly log in to your Namecheap account. If you also want to log in successfully, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end. The website of Namecheap is called namecheap.com. You can search this up on the search bar of your web browser. Now once on the website, you can see an option of sign in on the top left. If you hover over it, this login box will open. Now in the first box, type in the username that you created. And in the second box, you can type in the password. If you don't remember the password that you created, click on the forgot password link. And from here, you can recover your password by typing in your username. Or you can also use your domain or email address to reset your password. Once you type in both of these credentials, click on sign in and you'll be successfully signed in to your Namecheap account. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions related to the video, make sure that you comment down below. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.